Gjoko with TRX here. I'm currently at HQ and today is a very busy day. We have quite a few trucks for oil changes, regular maintenance. I was thinking to just shout out Tim today so that you can get an idea in the day of the life of. Let me walk around and try to find him.
There's no region on this. Hang on a second.
I'm just gonna follow you. I'm just following you. Yeah, okay. It needs a PM?
Yeah, he's doing it now.
Okay.
How old was it?
Last December.
Last December? You already checked the coolant? Gotta check the coolant. No, the coolant. So we'll do a check on the trailer, make sure everything's okay. Tires all look good on this side.
What do you usually look for? Like for...
Low tire, low tread, tires that are wearing uneven. This has got good tires on it. I'm gonna check the brakes. Brake pads are still at 90%. It does need grease though. See if it has a washout. See if we need a washout. Needs a washout. Parachute looks good. And we'll check the lights and the ABS.
Yeah.
We just did a Reefer PM on it. Gonna let it run for a few minutes.
What's he gonna do now?
He's gonna check the coolant level.
Oh, okay.
Shut it down. Always shut it down, because when it runs, it drops. If you can come over here, you can see the little red ball.
Oh, yeah.
That's for the coolant. Is it at maximum? Okay, we're good.
This is actually a typical day down here at HQ. Tim, make sure that all the equipment is running smoothly, obviously. Today is not ideal because it's really hot, but it's not as bad as it was last week. I don't know if he's gonna park it inside the bay, but we're gonna take it inside, check the lights, grease it up, make sure that it's road ready. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So we'll just follow Tim around and try not to be in the way.
I'll bring it in the shop.
Yeah. Well, I think he opened the doors, right?
Yeah, come on.
We're gonna wash it first?
We're gonna wash it first. And then bring it in the shop for the remainder of the checkout. And it looks like we have an ABS light on. We'll check that out as soon as we get it into the shop.
Okay. We put this one in the bay where the other one came out of?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we'll go around the guys. They're doing some preventative maintenance.
Yeah, there's a lot going on today here.
Oh, man.
What is this guy now?
That's for reefer filters. They're delivering reefer filters. That should have been delivered Friday.
Do we have like a specific day when they come in, or is it whenever we have
I order
to
them
need?
when I start to get low. I just reorder them.
Yeah.
I'm still getting familiar with the equipment. Now I know that we have 3 older trailers.
Mm-hmm. It's a lot of equipment too, like you can't know everything about every single trailer, truck.
I don't know how Nick does it. He knows all trailer numbers. He knows all his truck numbers.
Mm-hmm.
He can tell you each and everything, a problem with each and every truck and trailer.
I'm amazed by it, for real.
I don't get it, man. I'll park it here. Let me get a mechanic over here.
Do you usually have one guy do this, or whoever is available?
My trailer guys are Kevin and Ivan.
Okay.
My truck guys are Gabriel and Mario.
Okay.
And I assist all over. Oh, he's putting in the blower motor? All right, well, let's go do this ourselves. Hook up the box. Give me a test light. I know that light comes on. Hook up the box. I want the box on it. And then you're going to do the 3 clicks and see if we get a code. The ABS light is on, so either it could be several problems. It could be a sensor, could be a bad valve, could be no connection to the valve itself, no power to the valve, even though the light is on, because I have the lights on. So.
Yeah.
We'll test it out here in a second as soon as he hooks up our box.
Okay.
We're also listening for the clicks coming out of the
Oh,
box.
the ABS clicks, the
Yep,
tick, tick, tick,
yep,
tick.
absolutely. You got it hooked up?
You got it?
Okay, listen. This is not a Wabco. This is a Bendix. So you remember how to do the Bendix? Yeah, so what you're going to do is shut the power off for 15 seconds. You're going to turn it on. And then you're going to hit the auxiliary. What is it, 4 times to see if it brings a code? So go ahead and do that and let's see what happens. So if he does the combination, right, we'll get a blink code. One more time. Nothing. We don't have anything, so we're going to see what's going on down here. All right, let's go start down here with the power. Take the cover off. This is the ABS valve. I'm going to disconnect it and see if we got power. We should have power going into the blue wire. Blue wire is to ignite the valve. Red wire is for the brake. We have no click, so we'll see what's going on here. It won't click if there's an ABS sensor out. The only time it'll click is when the unit is totally good. We got to try and get a blink code and see if we do have a bad sensor. The first thing we're going to do is check to see if we got power. Both sides of our red wire, and then power to our blue, which is the main wire.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're disconnected.
Checking for any loose wires.
Yeah,
cables.
anything hanging.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have nothing hanging on the axles. The airbags look good. Yes, sir. All right, let's see if we can get a ground. Go turn the brake one on too. The brake switch on the. So far, I'm not getting no power. Yep.
So it's not getting power.
Could be a bad ground on my chassis too, though.
Yeah, because it's all dirty.
Yep. I'm not getting a good ground. Let's see what we got. Okay, so it's flashing. I still think it's probably a bad ground here. We're lighting up.
Oh, yeah.
It's got a bad ground. Trying to get some ground off the chassis here. Gonna need the sandpaper. Yeah, I'm not getting no power. I'm gonna have to clean a spot. Well, anytime you're doing a check for current, you gotta have good ground. The rust and the dirt and not sending me no ground. No, no ground. Let's see, better luck was right here. Nope, no good ground. Got some power here. No, so I'm gonna have to take ground off of here. I'm sure it's getting power. I just want to make sure it's getting the correct power. Can you see if that ABS light is on? All right, since we only got 2 sensors, I'm gonna crawl under here and see if there's a bad sensor.
You think it's the sensor?
Might be.
Yeah, it's still on.
I'm gonna do another check a different way.
With the truck?
Yeah, you're supposed to press down the brake pedal.
Off.
There's our blink code. There's our blink code.
Yep.
So I didn't catch it all. I think it was 10 and 5. I gotta go check my book. This is my Wabco, and this is Bendix. I'm gonna have to do it again because
You didn't get all the numbers?
I didn't get all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 and 1, 3, 4. What was that?
3-2.
3-2, 3-2.
Last ones were 3-2.
So 3-2 is sensor. It is a sensor. Right side. So what we'll do is we'll shut the truck down, take the wheel off, check our sensor. If it needs to be replaced, we'll replace it. It's only got 2 sensors on it, so it's going to be the right side front axle. It's going to be the front axle. It's only got 2 sensors. So jack it up and take this off, take the wheel off, and then we'll check out the sensor. I have sensors. Hopefully this is it.
Is the sensor usually a quick fix?
Yeah, usually. It could be a pain if it gets stuck inside here. Almost. It's out. You got the cutters to cut off and I'll get you a new sensor. Go ahead and cut the wire around the axle. Yeah, it's got a retainer in it. Put a little bit of grease on it. I hope so. I mean, the code gave us this. Shut it off, turn it back on, and I'm gonna spin the wheel. I'm spinning the wheel to reactivate the sensor. Sometimes it works by spinning it. Sometimes you have to move the whole trailer. But I still don't hear no click. Like I said, sometimes spinning the wheel helps, and then sometimes you gotta reset the whole thing. Is the light still on?
Still on.
Put this wheel back on. Well, I'll move the trailer and let's see what happens. And there's a possibility that both ABS sensors will be out because when you do the test, it only gives you 1 code at a time. It doesn't give you multiple codes.
Okay.
So what we'll do is we'll put the wheel back on. We'll redo the code again and see if it gives us the same code or gives us another code. All right, well, we're gonna let you guys off here. We're gonna finish this up. The guys are gonna go to lunch. We'll finish our other projects we have inside, and we'll catch you another day. Thank you.